Today, let's guide you to our cat scratching board factory and take a look on how our cat scratching boards are made. These are our workers busy cutting the sheet material. They cut the sheets into different specific shapes for the next step. After cutting, we will brush the product with glue. Align and then glue the backrest board on. Many people may think it's a very easy job, just gluing on. But in fact, we have a strict set of procedures. After gluing, the product will be pressed and set by a machine with preset pressure values. Then it comes to the last step before finishing, package. And finally, here are our products.